A bulldozer so massive that it needs 2 engines just to move. Another one weighing more than 30 elephants combined, capable of pushing entire buildings out of its way. Here are the world's most powerful bulldozers ever built. 10. HBXG SD9, 430 horsepower. Starting our countdown at number 10 is China's HBXG SD9, a specialized powerhouse built for one of the toughest environments on Earth. This dozer delivers 430 horsepower and weighs roughly 107,720 pounds. Its semi-U blade holds 14 cubic meters of material, and it features an impressive 2,250 millimeter gauge for stability. But what makes the SD9 truly special isn't just its power. It's where this machine was specifically designed to work. The HBXG SD9 features an elevated sprocket design with 517 millimeters of ground clearance, making it exceptionally robust for coalfield operations. Combined with remarkably low fuel consumption, this machine delivers extended uptime for infrastructure projects where refueling isn't always convenient. Before we climb into the real monsters of this list, make sure you're following for more insane machine breakdowns. We're just getting warmed up. The next dozers are on a whole different level. 9. Liebherr PR766, 422 horsepower. The Liebherr PR766 weighs in at 119,784 pounds, nearly 10,000 pounds heavier than the D9, and produces over 400 horsepower. At 28 feet 7 inches long, it supports blade capacities between 17.8 and 22.2 cubic yards. Now, you might be wondering, wait, this one has less horsepower than the SD9? Then why is it ranked higher? This is because the PR766 uses a sophisticated hydraulic diesel drive system that provides incredible precision in mining operations, combined with advanced cab comfort features that reduce operator fatigue. This machine achieves higher uptime and productivity than you'd expect from its horsepower rating alone. It perfectly fills the gap between mid-size and large quarrying operations. 8. XCMG SD9, 464 horsepower. Operating in the same power class as the HBXG SD9 but with enhanced capabilities, the XCMG variant delivers its power through an advanced structural design built specifically for tough dozing conditions. Its blade capacities match other machines in this weight class, but there's more to this story. So why is XCMG becoming a name that Western manufacturers are starting to pay attention to? The XCMG SD9 has become incredibly popular in Asian megaprojects. We're talking massive infrastructure developments across China, Southeast Asia, and the Middle East. Its combination of capable performance, competitive pricing, and readily available parts networks make it the go-to choice for contractors managing billion-dollar construction projects. The global bulldozer market is changing, and XCMG is leading the charge. 7. Chetra T40, 590 horsepower. This Russian-engineered beast produces 435 kilowatts from a Cummins QSK-19 engine and weighs about 154,940 pounds. Its hemispherical blade covers 21 square meters and sits on a 3,918 millimeter base, capable of penetrating a staggering 670 millimeters deep into the ground. But there's something unique about how the T40 delivers its power that makes it absolutely perfect for the environments it was built to conquer. The Chetra T40 features a hydromechanical transmission that enables it to hit speeds of 7.9 miles per hour across some of the harshest terrains on the planet. Built for Siberian conditions, Russian mining operations, and extreme environments where lesser machines simply fail, the T40 represents Russian engineering philosophy: tough, reliable, and unstoppable. When the temperature drops to -40 and Western dozers won't start, the Chetra fires up. 6. Komatsu D375A-8, 609 horsepower. Jumping up significantly in power, we have the Komatsu D375A-8 delivering 609 horses. This Japanese bulldozer weighs 163,340 pounds and stretches 34 feet 8 inches in length. Its blade capacity ranges from 24.2 to 28.8 cubic yards across widths, spanning 188 to 205 inches. But Komatsu didn't just focus on raw power with this model. They engineered something that's changing the game for mining operations. The D375A-8 features enhanced sustainability technology that dramatically cuts fuel consumption compared to its predecessors. This means lower operating costs and reduced environmental impact while maintaining the power needed for surface mining efficiency. It's the perfect balance between capability and responsibility. 5. Liebherr PR 776 Litronic, 768 horsepower. Now we're entering truly elite territory. The Liebherr PR 776 Litronic cranks out 768 horsepower. This German-engineered bulldozer features a massive D9512 V12 diesel engine with SCR emissions control and a sophisticated hydrostatic drive system. Weighing up to 161,370 pounds and measuring 33 feet 1 inch long, its blade capacity hits 28.8 cubic yards with widths ranging from 180 to 217 inches. But there's an innovation in this machine that completely transforms how operators work. The PR776's infinitely variable track drive system provides unmatched control precision in mining grading operations. Combined with Liebherr's smart monitoring systems and operator comfort features, this dozer allows for longer, more productive shifts with less fatigue. It's not just about pushing power, it's about intelligent power application. 4. Shantui SD90C5, 949 horsepower. Breaking into the 900 horsepower club, we have China's answer to Western bulldozer dominance, the Shantui SD90C5. This bulldozer packs 949 horsepower from a Cummins QST30 engine and weighs about 234,220 pounds. Its dimensions are truly impressive. 11.5 meters long, 5.265 meters wide, and 4.59 meters high. The semi-U blade measures 6.46 meters wide with a 39 cubic meter capacity, supported by 710 millimeter tracks and a massive 1,638-liter fuel tank. Now here's what's shaking up the global bulldozer market. The SD90C5 delivers performance that rivals top Western models but at a significantly lower cost. Its high ground clearance and robust hydraulic systems make it exceptionally capable for heavy-duty mining pushes. And Chinese manufacturers are proving they can compete at the highest level of earth-moving equipment. The global bulldozer hierarchy is being challenged. 3. Komatsu D475 A-8 890 horsepower. Taking the third position is Komatsu's current flagship, the D475A-8 with 890 net horsepower. This bulldozer delivers its power at 2,000 RPM through a Tier 4 final compliant engine, weighing 254,190 pounds. Measuring 38 feet 9 inches long and 20 feet 4 inches wide, its semi-U blade configuration can handle up to 44.5 cubic yards of material. Komatsu integrated something into this machine that operators say makes it feel like driving a completely different class of equipment. The D475A-8 features an automatic lockup torque converter that dramatically boosts efficiency during rock ripping operations, combined with intelligent monitoring systems that optimize fuel consumption. Operators consistently praise its speed-to-power balance, claiming it surpasses its predecessors not just in raw capability, but in how that power is delivered. 2. Komatsu D575A-3SD, 1,150 horsepower. The Komatsu D575A-3 superdozer delivers a mind-blowing 1,150 horsepower. Produced from 1991 until around 2010, this machine held the record as the largest series production bulldozer ever built. Its SA12V170E turbocharged diesel engine powers a behemoth weighing 152.6 tons. The blade measures an incredible 7.39 meters wide and can move 69 cubic meters of material per pass. Despite measuring 25 feet long with tracks, it can still achieve speeds of 8 to 9 miles per hour over rough terrain. Now, you might be thinking this is the most powerful bulldozer ever built, but there's something even more extreme that claimed the crown. The D575A3's combination of torque, reliability, and sheer moving capacity influenced every modern superdozer that came after it. Its legacy in surface mining operations is unmatched. This was the machine that proved extreme size could be reliable, efficient, and profitable. While production ended, its engineering principles live on in every large dozer built today. All right, before we reveal the most powerful bulldozer ever built, hit that follow button if you love mega machines, engineering extremes, and heavy equipment legends. Trust me, this final one is unlike anything you've ever seen. 1. ACCO Super Bulldozer, 1,350 horsepower. Built in Italy during the 1980s by Umberto Eco, the ACCO Super Bulldozer is the most powerful bulldozer ever constructed, and it's unlike anything else on this list. This bulldozer weighs 183 tons and features not one but two Caterpillar engines, each producing 675 horsepower for a combined output of 1,350 horsepower. The blade alone is an engineering marvel, 7 meters wide by 2.7 meters high, capable of holding 25.5 cubic meters of material. The entire machine measures 12 meters long and 6.5 meters tall. But here's where the story gets absolutely fascinating and tragic at the same time. The ACCO Super Bulldozer was intended for export to Libya, but a US embargo halted its delivery. This incredible machine, representing the absolute pinnacle of bulldozer engineering with its custom drivetrain, dual-engine setup, and Caterpillar components. And there you have it, the 10 most powerful bulldozers ever built. So which of these bulldozers impressed you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed learning about these bulldozers, smash that subscribe button so you never miss our next deep dive. Until next time.